Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see Bridge Course exercise number 9. The subtopics are passage comprehension, poem comprehension, picture comprehension. So before see this, what is comprehension? Yes, comprehension means it is the understanding and interpretation of what is read. To be able to accurately understanding written materials, think about what they have read. So this is called the comprehension. Let's see the comprehension questions. First one is the passage comprehension. It is called the prose comprehension. So it's a reading. Slow fried French fries. There are certain foods that are better when not made at home, like a French fries. To achieve golden brown perfection, you have to fry them twice. First at a low temperature to poach. Poach means it's a over boiled water. Then at a high heat to crisp them up. Very tasty, very much a pain in the neck. A few years back, I read about how French chef Joël Robuchon supposedly does it at his house. He puts sliced potatoes in pot of cold oil and turn on the heat and lets them go. It sounds too simple to work, but as the temperature rises, the potatoes cook from the outer layer in until the fries are wonderfully crunchy outside and creamy in the center. You will never make a fries any other way, even if you have never made the before. Okay, put a tick mark in the right box. The word chef means, the sixth line, the word chef means a person who cooks. In the text, fry means, yes, to cook in a pan overheat with use of fat. The word twice means twice. Yes, it is a two times. French fries are better when cooked in a restaurant. What does the pain in the neck mean? Yes, it is a to be annoying. It is a causing irritation. French fry is a French chef. JR has his own recipe. Yes, it is a own recipe. So Joël Rufus has his own recipe. Okay, let's see the next poem comprehension. Read the poem given below and answer the questions. Be the best. Okay, this poem was written by Dr. Molange. It is an inspirational poem. At the same time, he is an American poet. Okay, let's see the poem. Be the best. So in this poem, the poet describes about a various nature like this and a comparison to the human being. So we should be proud of whatever we are doing. First one, be the best. If you want to be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley. So if you are not able to be a pine tree on the top of the hill, just be a scrub in the valley. So but be the best little scrub by the side of the rill. Rill means is a small streaming. So be a bush if you want to be a tree. Yes students, if you wanted to be a bush, then you be a tree. If you cannot be a bush, just then be a bit of the grass. If you are not able to be a bush, just be a bit of the grass. So and some highway happier maker. If you cannot be a muskie, then just be a bass. So be the liveliest bass in the lake. So it's a poet combat. So and some highway happier make. So if you want to be a muskie means it's a fish. It's a huge mix. Then just be a bass fish in the living in lake. So but be the liveliest bass in the lake. So if you want to be a muskie, if you are not able to be a muskie, so muskie is a royal fish or is a huge fish. then just be a base fish in liveliest base in the lake area. Okay, so the poet is describing about is a fish. And then and some highway happier make. Okay, if you want to be a bush, then be a bit of the grass. So this is called the poet is describing about like this. And next poetic lines: we can't all be the captain, we have got to be a crew. Yes students, if we are not a, if we cannot be a captain, then we have got to be a crew. It's a team, it's a team member of the team. Okay, we can be a member of the team, but all we cannot be a captain. There is something for all of us here. There is a big work to do and there is a less work to do. So there is a big work, it's we have a heavy work, just we have to do. Okay, if we have less work, then we have to do it. Okay, so whatever we have do, whatever we are doing, we should be proud. Okay, whatever we became, we should do it well. So the poet symbolically says, and the task we must do is the near. If you cannot be the highway, then just be a trail. If you cannot be the sun, be a star. Just students, if we are not able to burning sun, then we can be a star. So this is the imagination conditions. So if you are not able to be a burning sun, then we can be a star. It isn't by size, then you win or you fail. So be the best whatever you are. So the poet says, if we cannot do something great, we should be happy to do some things. Everyone cannot be a someone great in the world, but whatever we became, we should do it well. So we should be proud of whatever we are doing. So we have to do the work in best. Okay, the best work. So whatever we have done, do it well. So and next let's the question answer. First, what is the poet's tone in the poem? Optimistic. It should be our attitude towards our work. What should be our attitude to yes, it's the answer. Whatever we do, we should do it wholeheartedly. What is the message of the poem? One should try to one's best with whatever one is. Winning doesn't depend on size. So the last question answer, the piece of work is difficult. Which word? So the meaning as is a task. And next it is a picture comprehension. So look at the picture and given answer for the questions given below. First then you have to look the question picture. You have to look the pictures. So what they are doing, how many children are playing in the pictures, and how many birds, what are the animals in the pictures. Everything we have to observe in the pictures, and the following questions will be asked given below. Let's see the question. The weather is sunny. The dog dash on the path. Yes, it is walking on the path. Dash is sitting on the tree. A squirrel is sitting on the tree. The little boy is riding a car. The little boy is riding a car. The birds are flying in the sky. Thank you, students.